these even fit around these?
That is what everyone.
All right, this is the watermelon explosion challenge. First one to get their melon to explode. You guys are cheating. We haven't even started.
Seeing if it fits.
Whatever.
All right, get some melons ready.
How many rubber bands can we put on at once?
As many as you can at once. Just the first one to explode.
Guys.
You're gonna have a full one. Just open here. All right, are we ready? You guys ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. Nathan, hold it.
Oh.
This is not gonna work.
Yes, it is. Okay, go. Probably just pulled a bunch out just to have them ready, which is a good idea. Sweat in the eyes. Ah!
Better than sweating the thighs.
No!
This is like something that, like, you would torture someone with.
When will the melon explode?
Rubber banding somebody's melon.
Dude. Now we're stretching that bad boy.
All right, you grab. I'll help.
Yep.
We're too good at it. We're too good at it.
Oh, dude, that's so much faster.
Do more.
All right, here we go.
The melon is not crushing.
I know, what's happening? Oh, like with the grain?
Me like a watermelon. And Nathan's wearing an apron because he's a ninny. And my teammate, morale.
Ninny to
not
me.
gonna break.
Okay.
One time.
Is there gonna be shrapnel lodged in my stomach?
Yep.
The watermelon.
It's a watermelon, not a grenade. Quality over quantity.
Like dizzy, guys.
Or quantity over?
What? Oh, I'm not sure.
Messed it up. I messed it up after I tried to correct myself when I did it right the first time. Coax the melon.
I don't think so.
Should we start moving?
No, we gotta go back.
We gotta go back!
What not to do to your child when it's burned.
Rubber bands. Oh, dude, I'm getting a cut on my finger.
We should write a book.
Damn! Are we allowed to shoot?
1, 2, 3.
Josh? Are we allowed to just willy-nilly shoot?
I mean, I think we can to some extent. Technically, it's private property, but you know, you get complaints on a workday probably.
But it's
Labor Day.
Well, that's what I'm saying.
And America.
Do people normally do with watermelons this small?
Shout out to Josh.
We will do this. We will rise victorious. Because we have the last word.
Whoa!
That came in our shot.
That got imported from
Guys, we already
Mexico.
finished a whole bag.
We've been doing 2 bags though.
Yeah.
So we basically
Use that as creation!
My fingers are
Scott Sterling!
Get him out.
Scott Sterling!
Got me in the face. He's getting juices. Oh, yummy.
I got sprayed. I got melon sprayed.
Maybe we should be wearing safety glasses, guys.
Oh, frick!
Oh no!
It's split!
Dude!
Oh no!
Go!
We're revitalized.
Oh my
What even happened?
How
did you guys beat us? Alright.
Guys, yours is on its way
roulette.
out.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
actually splitting.
Quick,
Oh my gosh.
quick!
Pick up a
Quick! Go!
Oh! Face,
Oh! What am I doing here?
Not enough.
You have to sacrifice yourself.
Sacrifice your body.
Are you ready? Oh! Guys, it's going. It's going.
This is gonna be very anticlimactic.
Oh, I hear crunching.
Oh my god!
The other camera died. Lucas and I won again.
Thanks for watching. Josh and Lucas won.
There's no proof.
Like, comment, subscribe for more. Thanks for hanging out with us, guys. See ya. Cut him. Dude, launched.
Okay, so what did we learn?